Hello everyone, I'm Sharita with Unique by Sharita. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, I am doing my own living room series by decorating my living room using decor pieces that I already have in my home. This is just a little over 6-minute video, so please let it play to the end so YouTube will continue to recommend my videos. This is style number 2, which consists of neutrals. Style number 1 was an animal print with black, which I will put the link to that video in the comment section. I'll also try to put the links in the comment section to a couple of videos I did on where to shop for most of the items you see in this video, just in case you see something you are interested in. Okay, style number 2 is complete, so let's turn off the chandeliers and turn on the rest of the lamps and TV fireplace so we can view the space. So here I'm showing the Greek pillows in the silver and bronze, if you were wondering how they look together. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.